Welcome back riders, welcome to Wheel-Wise Joe, and in the first 5 seconds let me ask you this. What if Honda just brought back the perfect balance of power, reliability, and pure trail fun with the all-new 2026 Honda TRX300EX? Today we're talking about an ATV that feels like it was built for riders who want real performance without unnecessary complications. The 2026 Honda TRX300EX carries forward Honda's legendary reputation for durability, but with a modern touch that makes it exciting for a new generation. From the moment you see it, this ATV gives off a sporty, aggressive vibe that says it's ready for trails, tracks, and weekend adventures. Under the seat, the TRX300EX delivers smooth and dependable power that's easy to control, making it ideal for both newer riders and experienced ATV fans. Honda has always focused on rider-friendly performance, and this machine stays true to that philosophy. Throttle response feels clean and predictable, letting you focus on enjoying the ride rather than fighting the machine. Whether you're carving through dirt trails, cruising open land, or just having fun with friends, this ATV feels confident and planted. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Honda TRX300EX is its handling. The lightweight feel combined with a well-balanced chassis makes turning sharp corners feel natural. Suspension is tuned for comfort and control, soaking up bumps while keeping the ride stable. You can ride longer without feeling worn out, which is exactly what most riders want from a sport ATV. Comfort also plays a big role here. The seating position feels natural, the controls are easy to reach, and everything is laid out in a way that makes riding intuitive. Honda clearly designed this ATV with real riders in mind, not just spec sheets. It's the kind of machine you can hop on and instantly feel at home. Reliability is where Honda truly shines, and the TRX300EX is no exception. This ATV is built to last, with quality materials and engineering that Honda is known for worldwide. It's a machine you can trust ride after ride, season after season. So if you're looking for a sporty ATV that delivers fun, control, and legendary Honda reliability, the 2026 Honda TRX300EX deserves your attention. Let me know what you think about this ATV in the comments, and if you enjoy content like this, make sure to stick with Wheel-Wise Joe for more ATV reviews, updates, and rider-focused insights.